In today's video, let's talk about how to use Tidal on multiple devices. If you're someone who likes to stream music on multiple devices and want to log into your Tidal account, for example, on your phone as well, you can easily do it by using your credentials, either using your email address, your Google account, or your Apple ID. But you'll only be able to play on a particular device if you're using an individual plan. If you're trying to stream simultaneously on different devices, you'll need to get your family plan for that. So inside of the plan section, as you can see, there are multiple plans that you can choose from. Only the family plan allows you to play simultaneously, meaning if you are playing a song on your mobile phone and you want to play a different song on a different device, that may be laptop, you'll need to have this particular plan for it. Even if you have an individual plan, it does not allow you to play simultaneously. It does allow you to log into multiple devices, but you cannot play different songs. So I do hope this guide video helped you out in understanding the way that you can log in to Tidal on multiple devices. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe.